guys, welcome to another video. So this one will cover a portion of the recent road trip that did not make the main videos, and that is my time at Grand Junction Motor Speedway. For those of you that have not seen any of my footage from this track before, here's a brief rundown of what you are looking at. Grand Junction Motor Speedway is a 0.9 mile kart track located in Grand Junction, Colorado that is wide enough to run full-size vehicles on. A local group of car enthusiasts called the Red Rock Racers organize track days for street cars once a month. These events are basically a time attack and no passing is allowed. Each session is 3 hot laps and you get around 4 or 5 sessions throughout the day depending on the number of participants. I like to get up there and do at least one event every year to see old friends and get some laps in. Since this was the first time on track for the Spec-V and I still had a 650 mile drive home the next day, I was taking it a little easy. The rest of the video here will just be a few raw hot laps. I had a microphone attached to the trunk, so audio isn't the best, but it's better than just hearing the wind. Overall, the car did great, and I'm looking forward to getting it back on track soon. If you're interested in the current modifications on the car, everything is listed in the description below. there you have it. 3 of my fastest laps during the event. One of them being a 1 minute 12.042, which is not very fast, I will have to admit. I'm curious what it would do with some sway bars, maybe some better tires, but that's for another day. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.